Of this time, that there are different people having different discussions. The discussion, as you know, that it is centering around Kashmir, nothing less than Kashmir. They are speaking only and discussing about Kashmir only, and that all these people, while we are standing for the Mata Kheer Bhavani Yatra, and then we are standing for some support. Ladies and gentlemen. The people are discussing, people are just debating, and then in Kashmir, just because there are so many things to be solved for Kashmiri Pandits. Just have a deeper look who all people are here and who all are doing what. You will have, there are some street, that side corner meetings also, people talking in Kashmiri. They are the Kashmiri Pandits, they are the people who are on the move and going to Mata Kheer Bhavani. So, what is your name? Einbart. So great meeting you, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Very nice. So that those people, and of course that Vinodji also a very dynamic person. He has given me a great company. Hey Vinodji, this is a smile. Hey. Oh, that's great. Oh, sir. So ladies and gentlemen, just see that I just wanted to give you a feel of the place of this Banihal area. So shortly after some time we'll be having that Banihal tunnel. It's very near. Let me just show you around and show you the place, the valley, the different mountains, the gorge. That we are coming to this place after 28 years. 28 vari patcha ashyor yun. आज 19 June, today is 29th, 19th June, आज 19 June 2018, 19th June 2018, and just see that this is the place where you cannot stand for a second, because that the shape of the mountains and the gorge that you can see here, it is so structured that it's always wind here. It is windy, it's very fast wind that's blowing here, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, you just see that this wind is very chilly. It's very pure and with very clean water. You see, ladies and gentlemen, there are people who are just going there. They are all Kashmiri Pandits, because they are going basically they are on the move to go to, ladies and gentlemen, to Mata Kheer Bhavani, because 20th January 2018 is the Mata Jista Ashtami Zethatam, and that's why all these people are already around 72 buses are gone yesterday from Jammu to Kashmir. There are 5,000 people already there, and we are going basically in search of our roots, in search of our home, in search of our hearth, in search of our lost home in 1990. More than 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits, they were driven out from Kashmir and they left Kashmir. They are Kashmiri Pandits, ladies and gentlemen. They are the aborigines of Kashmir, having a history of more than 5,500 years. So ladies and gentlemen, I will just take you around and show you that who else are there. That this is the place. This is a place where you cannot stand. You cannot stand, and it's very chilly, it's very cold. It is June. June means that very hot, very hot in rest of India, in Delhi, in Bombay, in Calcutta, in Chennai. But here in this place, in this Banihal, near this Banihal tunnel, it is chilly wind. It is chilly wind, and you won't just take deep inside you as much as you can, because this is pure breathing and this is healthy breathing. Ladies and gentlemen, you see that around that these are the Kashmiri Pandits who are now, they have got a message that we won't just have to leave, and ladies and gentlemen, this is. So So let me just go inside and just find out who else is in our
अच्छा मेरे नाम
Oh, namaskar.
ये न्यू मेंबर
New member is
हर रिकॉर्डिंग में आपको न्यू मेंबर
join new member. That's great. Arnav is coming. Oh, Arnav, the grey Arnav, beta. God bless you. God bless you. They are joining in our bus now, huh? Kishmish, very nice. She's always smiling. God bless her. And of course, Srinagar Devi once again. Ram. Oh, excellent. Yeah. God bless all of you. Have a nice time. Of course. Dari kadi? Kapare? Hukache ye. Oh, tas ke daban Daisy. Acha switch up one. Bus mane nearness bus. Nearness bus nearness tayar. We are going now. So ladies and gentlemen, I was just showing you around this place, you know. This is Banihal. It's very chilly, it's very cold outside, but it's very enjoyable because you feel as if you are in natural air conditioner. You are having artificial air conditions in other parts of India and world, of course, but here in this place, in the Banihal, which is just the gateway to Kashmir, my homeland, my hearth, and my homeland, which I left in 1990, and today I am going to Kashmir in search of my lost home. The journey to Mata Kheer Bhavani, the agenda is to search my roots, to search my lost home, to search my hearth, and of course bow before the supreme land of Kashmir, land of my ancestors. And today I am running in 5094 years. 5094. So ladies and gentlemen, God bless you, keep smiling, keep happy. We are going to give you more and more recordings, more and more things. So this is the second day of our sojourn, of our divine journey to Mata Kheer Bhavani. To Mata Kheer Bhavani, today is 19th June 2018. 19th June 2018 and 20th June 2018 is the Zeth Eartham. Tambochi Zeth Eartham Paga, the Ashutati Mata Dista, Bhavani Nishan, Tul Mul Choice, Mata Kheer Bhavani Nishan Choice, Gatsun Ashtati Melun, Ashtati Matha Tekun, Ashtati Puja Karin, Ashtati Pure Revive Karun, Yes, I say. Patmo 500,000 video is Karan, the Kunushat Nanth Patan, I say, very Marum Dinishkan. So I am very jubilant, I am very happy that I am going to my homeland. I am going to Kashmir in search of my lost home. Thank you, God bless you, take care.